here is another machine. We have to get to its root access. So let's go with sudo net discover command. So we can see the IP addresses of the target could be recognized. So the last one, 192.168.1.254, is the targeted machine for us. So now we have to go to the nmap. We have to do the nmap. Now let's go the command cat nmap. So we've got ss sv scene scan versus scan and script scan versus scan, and followed by the dash p dash and the on for so, and lastly nmap full. So here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 total open port numbers. First one is 22 TCP open SSH secure cell service surface SSH, which refers to the version is 7.2, which is not updated version. So second is 80 TCP Apache. So Samba 2 port has been used for Samba SMBT. So here 8009 is running AGP 13 and Apache GServe that we need to add this P number, and the last one is 8D80, which is Apache Tomcat 9.0.7. So what should we do next? So we'll go for the Samba surface. So we go with the command smb client 192.168.1.254, and we are getting the share name information, IPCs. So this is not actual shares of IPC surface or interprocess core. We can't get anything from these IPCs. So we'll focus on the anonymous part. So next command should be smb client with the IP and /anonymous, and by pressing enter. So there is try help to get a list of possible commands. So ls for list here, and So we have to check whether we have permission to upload the file. So let's use it. If we use the put command here, dest.txt, so we have got an error, status access denied. We have to check whether we have permissions to navigate across this. Session. So we have found the user name here, J, A, K and Jan. So we have used the enum for the user informations. So we have got two local users, Jan and K. We have to use those. So we have the machine info, uh, target machine Kali Linux, and nmap scanning here. So the pass is then enumeration. First one is Samba enumeration. Then we have usernames K and Jan. What else? So that's what we have. So we have to continue our enumeration. So we have to open the browser and to see. So still it's not found on the IP address. Oh, site doesn't have a title. So this will redirect to this page, where this page is not found. So that's nothing here there as well. So we have to copy this and put there 8009, and still we have an unable to connect error. So let's try the last port number, and still we're getting error. So there is a problem the machine, I guess. So let's restart it. So then here we go. After the restart, we have got the website is on 8080 port. So there is 90. So with the search exploit tomcat and 9.0.7, we have got no results. Apache Tomcat. We can click manage app and weak credentials like admin and admin again, but sign is not again successful. We have been unauthorized. So Apache Tomcat credential, so you can launch the MSF console -q, so you can get the manager app credentials. So search Tomcat. So this module I'm looking for. Manager login. We can use this as a module, and we can show options. The field is remote host. And we can leave default value for all other fields, so we can run it. This model is trying to all combinations of username and password to log in, but none of them are working. So in other words, we can't do anything on port numbers. We have just a username, except that we have nothing. So let's use Hydra to crack the password. Hydra Chen, which is the username, then -p, then the normal case. So the word list, for that we have used p. So as you can see here, Hydra successfully retrieved the password for Jan username, which is Armando, and let's we need that password, so let's copy that. So paste here in the SSX generate the IP address SSH. The password is required. Now give the password. So it hasn't worked. We need some local immigration. So this hasn't permission to do anything for this file. So let's go to the home directory and ls-lh, and in home directory there is pass a similar file SSH, and which we can check next. So if we can get the any other permission, and then we can copy this private key and create it locally on the we can copy it and we can paste it here. So we have to remove and create it again. CSE mode 400 ID RSA. So authentication is based on password and username, and another is private key. Server on the target will be public key, and you can use SSH. So this public key is protected by so this private key is protected by passphrase. We can use SSH to join to convert this hash value, the key to hash value. Then we can launch and crack it. So we have to show options for the crack password. So SSH again. We can copy this beeswax and paste it here. We need to do some local enumeration. Sudo is, I guess, what we needed. So we have to check whether we can use sudo for elevate. Sudo on -l. We have to provide the password. So we do not have a password yet for K. So let's try beeswax. It doesn't work, so I have another file pass. So that's very obvious that it will be the password for user. So that's pretty much. Thank you so much.